Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce Lightning. First, familiarize yourself with the core concepts of Salesforce Lightning. You can start with the Lightning for Beginners Trail Mix on Salesforce Trailhead. This trail mix covers essential topics like Lightning components and the Lightning experience. Now install Salesforce Lightning Experience if you haven't already. You can run a readiness check to ensure your org is ready for Lightning. Then spend some time navigating the Lightning Experience interface, understanding the different components such as the App Launcher, Lightning App Builder, and the various dashboards and reports available. Next, use the Lightning App Builder to customize your workspace. You can drag and drop components to create custom pages tailored to your business needs. Learn how to create and use Lightning components to build custom application. You can start with the simple components and gradually move to more complex ones. Salesforce Lightning integrates with Einstein AI to provide insights and predictions. Then explore how you can use AI to automate tasks and make data-driven decisions. After that, engaging with the Salesforce community to learn from others and get support. You can join forums, attend webinars, and participate in events to stay updated and connected. The best way to learn is by doing. Practice building and customizing applications and experiment with different features and tools. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.